or I'm sure this is one thing that there's not much coverage on. This is a replacement rear cover for box body coupe on the rear deck. All right. Well, still gonna need to figure out where that fold is. Right there. It looks like they have the, you can tell just how old and gross that is. Looks like they have this pretty much cut open, so I'll have to cut that and these slots here for the rear brake light. They have the slots for the speakers cut out a little bit better than the holes. So let's flip this thing over, and you can see why I'm actually replacing this. I'm hoping that the black looks a little bit better when you're actually come over here, and you can see in the side here, because you'll have the black trim and the white and the black because of the black and the white on the car, because I'm going to do the two-tone. I'm still keeping the red, somewhat red interior. I'm not sure on carpet, but what we're focusing on is the rear deck cover. Okay, so this is everything that needs to come out to be able to remove that. All right, so I guess I'm just going to set this old one off to the side. I'm going to give this stuff a good dusting off. I'm going to keep this as my table. I'm just going to flip it. All right, so we're good there. I'm going to go and get a razor blade so that I can trim this out with a new blade, razor knife with a new blade, and then I can get this installed. Just flipped it upside down, kind of cut through those. Let's flip this thing over. Look at that. All right, I'm going to use two hands and get this thing set in. All right, not too bad. I was curious how that was going to work out. Just kind of installed it and then slid it down over. Very easy to install. I have my third brake light right here. So I'm going to get this housing cleaned up and maybe put a little shiny stuff on it. I'll get it reinstalled. I also have to install two new bulbs right here, just because we're doing it. And then we'll get it installed. I really think it's going to look all right. See? Much better. I should have took a picture with the red for the video, but it's in. I'm going to get the third brake light in. We'll take one more quick look at it, and that's installation of the rear deck cover. I mean, way better than this thing. Look. So, one more positive. All right. You definitely tell it's got a red third brake light, that's for sure. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. It's kind of hard to see with the shadow of the sun, or the glare of the sun hitting that. I mean, I don't know. I'll have to get this thing together and see if I like it. Kind of go from there. It's a little chilly here today. But, I mean, there's the rear deck cover. I just kind of went with black over the red. I just wanted something different. I guess if the time comes, I can always pull the third brake light out, get some of the black dye and black it out. That way it fades in better with the cover. I don't know. Let's get this thing in the sun, see what stuff looks like, change things out. But hey, there's the rear deck install in a coupe. It's actually pretty decent. We'll have to wait and see. Time will tell how it holds up to the sunlight and stuff, because I plan on driving this car here a lot once I get it finished up. And then I'll decide how I want to do the rest of my interior seats and the carpet and everything else. But that's for another video, guys. See ya.